We will have a brief look of gait cycle, which is time interval between two successive occurrences of one of the repetitive events of the walking. During this example of gait cycle, our right extremity, which is you can see in grayish color, is the reference limb. Now we can divide our gait cycle into two main phases. First is stance phase, second is swing phase. Both the phases in total can be divided into 7 sub-phases. 60% of gait cycle is occupied by stance phase and 40% is occupied by the swing phase. While analyzing the gait cycle, first of all we will be going for the stance phase. Now there is initial contact of the right lower extremity. After that there will be loading response when the opposite extremity will be having its toe off phase. During the mid stance of the reference extremity, the heel will be rising. After that, when there is terminal stance phase, the opposite lower extremity will be having its initial contact to the ground. During the pre-swing phase, the reference extremity will be preparing to leave the ground through toe off. Now second phase is swing phase, when there is initial swing and both the feet are adjacent. After that there will be mid swing and the tibia will be vertical. After that, during the terminal swing there will be again initial contact and the cyclical movement is continued when the person is continuing to walk. This is our brief overview of the gait cycle.